Okay, another thing you should notice is that our systems, no matter what sensory system it is, our systems are very good at detecting change. Okay, when you put me in a new environment or the environmental stimulus changes, like, the bright light, or it gets brighter or darker or whatever, you hit me harder, we're very good at detecting that. Okay? But once we kind of get a status quo, because our sensory systems adapt or they're firing less action potentials, that's how you get to a point where you can forget this, or you can jump in the cold water. It doesn't seem so cold. And that's what you want from a survival standpoint. You want to be able to detect change. If I'm walking through the woods, I want to be able to see that change in the environment, if the lion's off to the side, the path. Okay, if you're just walking a line, you don't want to miss those kind of events, because usually change has some significance. Okay, or potentially it has some significance. So you want receptor systems that when something changes, you're real good at detecting that change. Once the status quo is achieved, yeah, you want some information about that. Yeah, it's still cold. Yeah, I'm still in water. But it's not a big deal. That information isn't that relevant. Okay, if you change the temperature of that water, you want to know about that. Okay, so all our sensory systems, I say, they're good at detecting change, and they provide us enough information when the status quo is going on. Okay, but that leaves them in a good position to then detect further changes.